Today is day 12 of the 30-day momentum roadmap to help you launch your business or just to grow your business. Either you have a business and you're looking to grow your business so you can make more money, or maybe you're open to learning how to build an online business. So either way, this video is for you, and we're on day 12 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. Okay, let's get into it. Every video needs one clear next step. So mastering the call to action. Okay. How to turn every viewer who makes it to the end into a lead, a follower, and a future customer. Let's get into it. So what is a CTA and what is a CTA and why does it matter? CTA, call to action, an invitation for your viewer to take the next step with you. So number one, people need direction. From the moment we're born, we follow cues. If you don't tell your viewer what to do next, they'll do the easiest thing, which is nothing. Okay. Interested viewers still scroll. Even the most engaged viewer will move on if the video just ends. So a CTA is the bridge between watching and acting. Okay. It's not pushy, it's helpful. A clear CTA gives direction. Think of it as showing someone the door they were already looking for. Two ways every video can end without a CTA. Wow, that was a great video. They keep scrolling, forget your name in 10 minutes, never become a lead, never sees your offer, your content worked for nothing. Okay. Now with a CTA, comment ready and I'll send it over. They comment, you respond, conversation opens, they join your email list, automation takes over, passive viewer can turn into a paying customer. The three-part CTA formula. Okay. Deliver it naturally, never awkward, always effective. Recap the value. Briefly remind them what they just learned or felt. Paint the picture of the transformation. You know, here's an example. You now know exactly how to end every video with the CTA that feels natural. Okay. Link the problem to the solution. Connect their pain point to your next step. Make the bridge feel obvious, not salesy. And if you're ready to see the full system I use to attract daily paying customers, then comment ready and I'll share the details with you. One clear action. Give them a single word or phrase to respond with. Only one action. Okay. Never give two options because it's just confusing. So tell them one thing to do. It could be comment ready and I'll get you the blueprint details, or drop a one and I'll send you the details. Okay. Don't say like comment ready or go to the link in my bio or follow me, or, don't give them three different options. Give them one option. Either it's comment ready, go to the link in my bio, follow me for more information, for more, value, whatever it is. Okay. Basically, either you're going to send them to a link. Okay. You're going to have them comment something, or you're going to have them follow you, become one of your followers. Okay. That's usually the CTAs that we have. Either sending to the link, commenting some kind of word like ready, or just having them follow you. Okay. So it just depends on the content that you're creating and the purpose of that content. So your CTA Word Bank, one word, one action, maximum response. Ready. When they're signaling they want to get started. Yes. When you want a simple agreement response, it's always effective. The more times you can have your potential customers say yes, the more likely they're going to say yes and buy from you. Okay. Done. When you want them to confirm they've completed an action. A blueprint, when you're directing them to your lead magnet. When you're inviting them into a system or community. Same, when you want them to confirm the story resonates with them. These are some examples of CTA keywords that you can use. Okay, 3 CTAs you can use in any video today. Ready, the attraction CTA. If you're ready to see the exact steps I'm using to attract daily paying customers online, comment ready below and I'll get you the blueprint details. Best for value-heavy content where you demonstrated your method. Blueprint, the empathy CTA. You don't have to figure this out alone. I put together a blueprint that walks you through each step. A comment blueprint and I'll send it over. Best for story-based content where you've shared a personal struggle. The momentum CTA. If you're done waiting and you want to go from zero to daily pay without the hustle, this blueprint is your first step. Comment in and let's go. Best for transformation or urgency content. Okay. Why every CTA points to one place. Video CTA, comment ready, email list, lead captures their info. Automation kicks in. The system works for you 24/7. Income flows, rejection-free business. Okay. So you have a video with your CTA, which takes them to your email list where the automations do the rest of the work for you. And that's when you make money. That's when you get a customer. If you have a sales funnel like we have, like with my business, I have a sales funnel, right? So every time people comment ready, I send them to my link. They put their email in, they go through my sales funnel, they put their email in, it triggers my email automation. So they're getting emails from me. They can go to my website at any time once they're inside of my email list, and they can go to the website and they can purchase one of the products that I'm selling. You understand? Email equals income. Once someone is in your list, the automation takes over. Your videos and systems work for you around the clock. That's the freedom machine. We call our business the freedom machine, our sales funnel. We call it the freedom machine because it gives you your life back. CTA examples across the three main niches: wealth, online, business. If you want to see the exact blueprint I use to go from side hustle to a business that runs itself, comment blueprint below and I'll send you the details. Health and wellness. If you're done with the crash and restart cycle and you're ready for something that actually sticks, comment ready and I'll share the first step that changed everything for me: relationships and lifestyle. If this resonated and you're ready to stop waiting for the life you want to start showing up, comment in and I'll show you where to begin. The structure is always the same. Only the niche and the emotional angle change. One word CTA always. Okay. So your action for today is pick one of the 3 CTA templates from this lesson. Don't customize it yet. Use it as written first. Record a video and deliver your CTA at the end. If it will feel awkward the first time, but do it anyway. Use a single word comment trigger: ready, blueprint, yes, in, etc. Pick one and stick with it. Okay. Respond to every comment you receive within 24 hours. The conversation is the conversion. Don't leave it on the table. Basically, when someone responds to my CTA, I just send them to my link in general. Right? You don't have to have all these back and forth conversations with people. It's not really necessary. It's up to you how you build your business, but like our business, we don't teach that. We teach like rejection free. You don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to have these back and forth conversations. You let your email automations do the work for you. So that's the action step for today. So we just finished day 12 of the momentum roadmap, and I'll see you on the next video for day 13. So implement this, take action, and if you want to learn more about my business and how you can make $100 to $1,400 per sale around your schedule, if you want to learn how this business works and how you can attract daily paying customers with an automated business, then just go to wealthwithdan.com. The link's in my bio. Okay. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.